Hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. Hey, once again, I have another cool video for you. And this is what a client of ours did with their F550 with an awesome cabover, a 19-foot cabover with the Super King cabover overhang. So a 76-inch overhang gives them a king-size bed north-south. It is epic. Check it out. Hey guys, Dave Anderson here for Globe Trekker. You can find Globe Trekker at rvglobetrekker.com, where you will find the very best in engineering and DIY solutions for your overland expedition vehicle. But we still get folks that ask, well, what does the interior look like? Maybe you just want to have a concept or spark your imagination of what you can do, because you know what? The interior is completely up to you. So many people like to have that bathroom exactly where it is and that U-shaped dinette, and some people don't. So this is a video to show you what are the options, or at least some of them, to maybe spark that imagination for what you want to do for your epic build. Stay tuned.
Is looking good. We're coming up on an nominal here. Okay, all flight controllers, go to go for landing. Retro. Go, I don't go. Right, go. Control.
Well, what I tell you, it was pretty epic, right? Yeah, I just love it. He's an awesome builder. He loves to do the F550 and the cabover, so check him out if you're interested in that. Until next time, guys, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.